The second-generation TorqTitan V-Belt is the latest innovation in Browning V-Belt technology. TorqTitan delivers up to 30% more horsepower capacity than previous grip notch belts. This increased power density allows the user to downsize shifts and reduce the number of belts, leading to a more compact and efficient drive system without sacrificing performance. Stay-Ten's polyester cords maintain stable tension throughout the belt's life, eliminating the need for retensioning and reducing maintenance time. With advanced materials and construction, the TorqTitan V-Belt is built to last even in high-heat, high-load environments, requiring fewer replacements and less downtime. The tubular woven fabric backing resists cracking and damage, even during less than ideal installations, ensuring long-term durability. The improved design increases stability, reducing the risk of slippage or failure during demanding operations. When upgrading to the TorqTitan Generation 2, inspect shifts for wear and replace them to maximize belt life and system efficiency. Check out more about the TorqTitan Generation 2 at www.regalrexnord.com/TorqTitan.